If you think in terms of cost, so you move from a gasoline car to electric car. So we use 10 electric cars right now in Iceland, and the energy costs moving from gasoline to electric lowers the cost per kilometer by 6 to 8 times. Now, if you move to drones, it lowers it by another at least 10 times, even more, because when you have a car, you can think of this as a glass with one drop of water in it. That's what the normal delivery looks like when you're delivering with a car. You're delivering one drop with a glass that is weighing 200 grams. Now, when you're delivering with a drone, you can think the glass is full and the water is the product, and you're delivering, most of the weight of the delivery vehicle is actually the product being delivered. And that is just so many times more energy efficient than what we are seeing just outside our windows right now.